Hello friends, welcome back to the MountainPrevail Knife Shop. I'm your host, old Jesse, and behind the camera is my man Tyler. Say hello, Tyler.
Hello, Tyler.
All right, we just thought we'd spit out a little video for you guys. It's been a few weeks, had a lot going on. Since I don't guess we never really ended the video series after I.
You said you was going to do leather, but...
Yeah, I said I was going to do leather, but, after I got those knives done, had people waiting on them and had a long list of other people wanting knives, so I've just had to really turn up the pace out here in the shop, and so that's kind of what I've been doing. We'll still do a leather video sooner than later, but it'll be a video for, later. Yeah, the future.
Not sooner.
Yeah. We'll do it when we want to. It's my shop, all right? Oh, no, but been making a lot of knives since the last video series. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you can see what all I've been doing. Finished up, I did 3 of these today. These are the pine cone and resin with the moon glow liners.
Charge it up there.
Yeah, let's show them what it'll. Show them what she'll do.
Charge it while you kill the light. You want to?
All right.
Check that out.
See it good?
Yeah, boy.
That bottom side didn't. Let me hit it a little more right there. Takes these things just a second to get good and bright, but they usually glow for a long time once you get them charged. There we go. Can you see that okay, Tyler?
Boy, that looks great. Hold it over this direction. That way we can get that light out from the downstairs. Man, that looks good.
Yep. Like I say, that's a pine cone, a stabilized pine cone in a mostly clear type resin. And when I thought about this for the first time, I did a lot of research, and I am pretty daggone sure I'm the first person to come up with this combination. But since I did the first one a few months back, there's been a couple other companies put the moon glow liners underneath pine cone resin, so pretty sure I've been copied. Pretty sure. But anyway, I don't think I've showed leather much in a video yet. Like I say, got these things got the sheaths all dialed in.
And stitched.
So they got a good snug fit. Same thing with this one. Like I say, made 3 of these for this week. Put a good heavy welt in them. Really sew the fire out of the belt loop, and mostly double stitched.
And print the logo too.
Yep, stamp a logo in them. But yeah, well, no kidding. I do want to sit down and do the whole process, like a whole Saturday or something, and film putting sheets together. But I can kind of show you here. I got my dad helping me out here some with leather work, just so I can concentrate on making knives and keep pumping them out, and don't got to worry about the sheaths. But here's a little bit of the process. Them's just roughly cut out at this point, and it's got the belt loops just glued to the back. Then he'll stitch at. Then it'll look like that, the stitching in it. Then we'll glue a welt in, because that's what protects. Got a knife here. You know, because when you're sliding a knife in and out, that way the blade is against the leather. Unlike if it was just 2 layers, it would be going in a crack and take a pretty good risk of cutting the threads. So, like I say, but I've got this designed to where that slides in good. Good positive stop there. But like I say, that'll get glued on next. Then this will get folded around. Then we'll lay out all that, get it stitched up, dress the edges up. Bada boom, bada bing. Finish sheath action. But anyway, guys, this video is just short and sweet. Just want to let you know we're still around and little shop update. Like I say, I've been spending every day in the shop lately and just working like crazy. Got a lot of knife orders. Oh yeah, should I give them a little insight here, Tyler?
Yeah.
A ton of people has asked me, because all the pictures I've been posting and stuff. Everybody keeps asking me if I'm going to make any more styles of knives, because at this point, since I've started MountainPrevail, I've just made the bushcrafters, and that's kind of been the bushcraft knife, sort of my baby, and that's where it all started, more or less. So that's the one I started out with, obviously. But I got so many orders for it initially that I've just been making them since then, just trying to keep up and keep people happy. But everybody won't know when I'm going to make new styles, and that's something I've been wanting to do since day one. But like I say, just ain't had time. So right here's a couple more I'm working on. The small one here, I just kind of had a little something on my mind. I just made one of them just to see how it turns out. But the idea behind this one is to have something about the size of an open pocket knife, which is the size that most guys carry in their pocket every day. They don't carry it open. But I don't know. We're going to come up with some kind of nifty little sheath, maybe a pocket clip to where that just slides in. I don't know. We're definitely going to do a cross draw and probably a regular taco style leather sheath. But like I say, we're just going to see what that one is. This design here I have worked on for a long time. Where's the wooden one? I don't know. It's around here somewhere. Looks like a bomb for everybody who keeps saying how nice and clean my shop is. Boom. Looks like a bomb went off in here because I've been doing so much work lately, and there it is. This was kind of the master. And designing knives ain't the easiest thing in the world to do. I mean, if you got a knife that's actually feels good and functional. So I spent a couple days, not solid, but I drawed this thing originally and cut it out 2 or 3 times on plywood and just trying to get a feel of it and get the ergonomics right and get the handle shape to where it feels good. Like I say, I wanted a good like a 3-finger knife, but like I say, it took a little bit of time to get it to where the handle feels good. It's still got a good blade angle on it, good usable blade. So I'm not 100% settled in yet on what kind of grind I'm gonna do. Like I say, I've got a little flat grind drawed on that, but that might not be what it is yet. A little up in the air at this point. But anyway, just want to let y'all know we're going to do some different stuff in the very near future. Probably before we get a sheath video out. No, it's really good. Because these knives are already heat treated, cock locked, and ready to rock. That right, Tyler?
That's right, Tyler.
Another quick update. Finally got around to got a bunch of wood blocks all dried out in the oven. Put over in some fresh resin in my in my replacement vacuum chamber, and vacuumed them. They was under vacuum for better part of 5 days, I guess, and they finally quit bubbling and done their thing, and they're just soaking in the resin, soaking it up at this point. And I'm just going to leave them in it until I get ready to use them here in the next few days or so. Pull them out of the resin, give them a quick bake, set it, and let it roll. Let it roll and use it. I ordered another good handful of burl stuff, some wild looking crap from Rob's Wildwood. Can't wait to get it. Yeah, that's about all I got. About all I can think of. Tomorrow, I'm going to shape this one, finish this now. This is the bog oak scales with some thick white G10 liners. So it's on the agenda for tomorrow. After I do that in the morning, might start grinding on some of those small ones. I'd like to get a few of them finished out by the end of the week. And not going to tell them, Tyler. Not going to tell them what I'm going to do yet. The bushcrafters. You're going to have to wait. You're going to have to watch the next video. I'm going to start updating you with some more cool stuff we got going on here. It's just all been a work in progress. And like I say, sorry we hadn't put up a video in a few weeks. But we've just been, things have been crazy. Ain't that right, Tyler?
That's right, Tyler.
Been busy. Been real busy. That's good. I like busy.
If they want a knife, they can let you know.
And if you want a knife, let me know. I would love to make you one.
Yep.
Send me an email, jesseallison12@gmail.com. Send me a Facebook message, MountainPrevail. Send me an Instagram DM at MountainPrevail. And I'll get right back with you.
Comment on YouTube.
Comment on YouTube. That'd be good. That'd be great.
And while you're at it, if you're doing all that other stuff, you might as well like and subscribe.
Yeah, that's right. Like and subscribe. We can't get to a daggone million subscribers if y'all ain't hitting the subscribe button. Trying to get paid here. Oh, yeah. Lord mercy, look at what all you're getting here on these videos.
Yeah.
What a deal for y'all.
Quality craftsmanship.
That's right. Anyway, that's where we're at. Got a lot going on. A whole lot going on. And I'm excited. A lot of stuff going on here in the shop. This thing is really taking off, and couldn't be more excited and happy about it. Thanks to everybody who's supported me so far. Can't thank you enough. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. And hanging there with us. We're going, like I say, we're going to get the videos regulated and keep y'all along for the ride. Until the next video, y'all keep them sharp.